Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Kids Drawing Hub TV. Light blue color. I am coloring the eyes of zebra. I am coloring the mouth of zebra with grey color. Now I am started coloring the body and the ears of zebra. A zebra is a peculiar wild animal. Most of us have seen zebras at the zoo. It looks beautiful with white and black stripes all over its body. Zebras belongs to the horse family. Zebras lived in a big fields. It is a plant-eating animal that mostly eats grass and leaves. Now I am coloring the black stripes of the zebra. Zebras cannot eat meat. I have 4 legs and I have 4 hooves. Now I am coloring the grass green color. If you like this video, then like, subscribe and share and get notified for all upcoming videos.